Hi everyone, I'm Pooja, studying in SVC Computer Science Department. Today my topic is about cloud computing. The contents are introduction, advantages, disadvantages, the vision of cloud computing, and the conclusion. Introduction. If you are using Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or if you are watching movies in Netflix and Amazon Prime, then you're already connected to cloud computing because all these servers are based on cloud computing. So, cloud computing is a technological advancement. It is based on the concept of dynamic provisioning, which is applied not only to services but also to compute capability, storage, networking, and information technology infrastructure in general. Resources are made available through the internet and offered on a pay per use basis from cloud computing vendors. So, the definition of cloud computing is cloud computing refers to both the applications delivered as services over the internet and the hardware and system software in the data centers that provide those services. Advantages of cloud computing is backup and restore data. See, once the data is stored in the cloud, it is easier to get backup and restore that data using the cloud. Second, it is a improved collaboration. Cloud applications improve collaboration by allowing groups of people to quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. And excellent accessibility. Cloud allows us to quickly and easily access, store information anywhere, anytime in the whole world using an internet connection. An internet cloud infrastructure increases organization, productivity, and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. And it is low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance costs for organization. Mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all cloud data via mobile services in the pay per use model. Cloud computing offers application programming infrastructure, that is APIs, to the user for access services on the cloud and pays the charges as per the usage of services. Unlimited storage capability. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storing capability for our important data such as documents, images, audio, video, etc. in one place. Data security is one of the biggest advantage of cloud computing. Cloud offers many advanced features related to security and ensures that data is securely stored and handled. Disadvantages of cloud computing is internet connectivity. As you know, in cloud computing, every data is stored on the cloud and we access this data through the cloud by using the internet connection. If you do not have a good internet connectivity, you cannot access this data. However, we have no any other way to access data from the cloud. Second disadvantage is vendor lock-in. Vendor lock-in is the biggest disadvantage of cloud computing. Organizations may face problems when transferring their services from one vendor to another, as different vendors provide different platforms that can cause difficulty moving from one cloud to another. The third disadvantage is limited control. As we know, cloud infrastructure is completely owned, managed, and monitored by the service provider. So the cloud users have less control over the function and execution of services within a cloud infrastructure. The fourth disadvantage is security. Although cloud service providers implement the best security standards to store important information, but before adopting cloud technology, you should be aware that you will be sending all your organization's sensitive information to a third party, that is, cloud computing service provider. While sending the data on the cloud, there may be a chance that your organization's information is hacked by hackers. Division of cloud computing. Cloud computing provides the facility to provision virtual hardware, runtime environment, and services to a person having money. These all things can be used as long as they are needed by the user. The old collection of computing system is transformed into collection of utilities which can be provisioned and composed together to deploy systems in hours rather than days with no maintenance cost. The long term vision of a cloud computing is that IT services are trading as utilities in an open market without technological and legal barriers. In the future, we can imagine that it will be possible to find the solution that matches with our requirements by simply entering out requests in a global digital market that trades with cloud computing services. The existence of such market will enable the automation of discovery process and its integration into its existing software system. Due to the existence of a global platform for trading, cloud services will also help service providers to potentially increase their revenue. A cloud provider can also become a consumer of a competition service in order to fulfill its promises to customers. In the near future, we can imagine a solution that suits our needs by simply applying our application to the global digital market for cloud computing services. The presence of this market will enable the acquisition process to automatically integrate with its integration into its existing software applications. The availability of a global cloud trading platform will also help service providers to increase their revenues. A cloud provider can also be a buyer of a competitive service to fulfill its promises to customers. Here's the picture of cloud marketplace. So here is the conclusion of cloud computing. Thank you.